In this course, you'll start off with Lab 1, where we set up our particle photon and blink an LED over the web. In Lab 2, you'll learn the basics of augmented reality by setting up Vuforia within the Unity environment, from downloading to installing as well as licensing. Thereafter, we get to perform the hello world of augmented reality, where we overlay a simple 3D cube. Lab 3 forms the basis of IoTAR, where we blend the boundaries of Internet of Things with augmented reality with a simple web dashboard in AR. In Lab 4, we see how we can look at ordinary connected objects differently using augmented reality. The Thirsty Plant project shows just that. It's like having X-ray vision and be able to see the water level of a plant. In Lab 5, we use a light-dependent resistor or LDR to control the light intensity of an augmented reality campfire. Now Lab 6 is really cool. Using multiple targets in Vuforia, we are able to measure distance in 3D. The app we will be creating is called Rule AR or Rule R, which can make 3D measurements seamlessly. Ever wish you had X-ray vision? Well, Lab 7 gives you the powers of looking into a 3D skeleton and visualizing a heart beating in real time. And this happens from a pulse rate sensor connected to your particle photon, which gets sent to the cloud. Have you ever gotten burnt drinking coffee? In Lab 8, you can visualize the temperature of any liquid chromatically. This means that if your drink is hot, your AR cup will appear red, and if cold, it will appear blue, so that you know it's time to reheat it. Lab 9, we visualize force in augmented reality on a gauge as a percentage of total force using a force-sensitive resistor, or FSR. Lab 10, we use our particle photon to detect alcohol gas and augment your reality with emissions of virtual gas. And finally, in Lab 11, we move away from the particle photon by fetching weather data off the web. We are able to retrieve the weather in AR for almost any city around the world in real time. So as you can see, we're going to be learning to build a lot of impressive apps in this 3-hour course on augmented reality and Internet of Things. It's very important to note that before you enroll in this course, there are some training material, which is Unity assets, as well as some hardware and sensors that you'll need to purchase beforehand. And this is to make sure that you have the best learning experience, and it's definitely an investment into your future. See the course description for more details.